Hey guys, it's me, Genesis, and my cousin, Adila. And we are making Play-Doh. So, sorry, I'm moving the camera too much. So, this is what it looks like. And then when you take it off,
And it feels soft.
it feels like soft. So you have to go like this, like a lot of times, to make it really, really soft.
It'll be
It's
like
not
so
like
soft,
kinda, it's not kind of like slime,
but it's Play-Doh.
It's Play-Doh, but it kind of stretches, but then it breaks. So then maybe you're gonna have to add baby oil or lotion to make it stretchier.
So it could look like
So
slime.
it could look like actual slime instead of like
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. And the products and the ingredients that we and the stuff what you need is this, a bowl and something to mix with,
I don't have
dish soap, and cornstarch. Add a lot of cornstarch at first, and then when you're done, adding,
Play-Doh or slime.
and then when you're done, you have to add like a lot. If you put a lot of cornstarch, you have to add a lot of dish soap. So then, the dish soap that I used was Dawn, the foamy one, or the regular one. And then that's it. And then when they start getting all like crunchy, like all into pieces like this, it's ready to play with. And that's it. So,
Bye.
bye.